Guys, today I'm going to tell you about 12 mysterious places on earth which are all together called as wild vortices because mainly people used to get disappeared from these places from last 100 years and never returned back, and nobody knows where they are gone and would they ever return or not. I will bring you this video into 3 parts to briefly describe you why and how these events are happening. It's going to be very interesting, so watch the video till end. It is infamous for missing people, those who get disappeared when they went into that evil triangle. On October 1st, 2015, there was a disappearance of the SS El Faro cargo ship that departed Jacksonville, Florida, heading for Puerto Rico. The ship's captain and the owner made a monstrous mistake to continue sailing right into severe tropical storm that turned into a Category 3 hurricane. The ship's equipment failed to provide current weather condition. The ship was found a month later, 15,000 feet below the surface. None of the crew bodies were ever found. The ship's black box was recovered. The retrieving and heartbreaking transcript was published by USA Today. In the last 100 years, over 1,000 people have lost their life. Whether you believe or not, something paranormal is happening there. Ancient ruins may hold lot of mystery, but these particular ruins hold a little something extra. If you were to go to Timbuktu and then travel north, you might come across an ancient burial ground at Jebel Mazala Saluste, where there are cave paintings and great monoliths to mark the area. You see many planes disappear while flying over the Sahara Desert, and some people believe this vortex may be the cause. Mohenjo-daro is considered to be one of the world's first major cities. It was founded sometime around the 26th century BC in Pakistan and is one of the most epic achievements of the Indus Valley civilization. Seriously, these people were creating wonders not seen again for thousands upon thousands of years. This monumental architectural achievement could rival Mesopotamia or even Egypt. When the city was found in the 20s, it came with an ominous discovery. All throughout the city were skeletal remains of a people in contracted position, which is objective evidence for the violent and painful deaths. In ancient times, the city's population seems to have been massacred. The Indus civilization fell without explanation suddenly, according to archaeological discoveries. Though the lack of a weapon found near the skeletons has caused some to question this theory, which has led to the speculations that the people died of a disease or some sort of natural disaster like flooding. These theories were highly doubted. Despite this, there are no mainstream theories satisfactory to how the people who once lived there died. David Davenport, a researcher of the site and the author of a book Atomic Destruction in 2000 BC, has more fringe and alternative views on how the people at Mohenjo-daro made their doom. There were many objects found within the ruins that seems to be fused together from a heat that would have to be at least 1500 degrees Celsius to do so, as well as melted bricks too. One of the skeletons brought to a lab for a research had 50 times the radiation level normally found in a human body. The only known weaponry that caused devastation in the manner found at Mohenjo-daro is atomic bomb. There is a fascinating tale concerned with fallen ancient city that we shall never know about. Strange paranormal phenomena occurs within this Hawaiian wild vortex. Strange occurrence mainly focusing around the revered volcano of Hamakuila. The wild vortex is off the coast of Hawaii in the ocean. The source of the vortex power is believed to come from the Hamakuila volcano on the southeast of Kauai. The volcano is on the mainland Hawaii, traveling underneath the ocean floor to a place called the Ring of Fire, a group of underwater volcanoes. The path of a lava flows through the wild vortex. Numerous planes and ships have vanished without a trace in the area. Strange electrical energies flow throughout the region. Rocks on the volcano randomly get magnetized. Locals have a long and colorful folklore surrounding Hamakuila, treating the volcano with utter reverence. As till now we understand that all these strange places has one thing in common, that is high electric and magnetic field that interrupt with the navigation system of the planes and the ships, and that lets them to disappear. But what actually happening there? Comment me what you think about this. According to me, it opens some kind of a portal which teleports them to some another place or a universe. Or these places are used by some extraterrestrials. One thing that we should notice about Indus Valley is that there are few crystals of a sands are found which can be made only by applying too much heat, as I have said earlier, around 1500 degrees Celsius. But how these are made at that time? The one thing that can make this type of crystal is atomic bomb, because it can only produce such a heat at a wider area. But we know that it is not possible that they have atomic bomb at that time. Then how those crystals were built? Are they made by the civilians? If yes, then they have advanced technology at that time. So in both the cases, they are too advanced in science. So who provided them this knowledge? Or it was their natural thought, but I don't think so. According to me, all these places are connected to somewhere else. Maybe it's heaven. In the next video, I will disclose you the truth behind the strange faces in Easter Island and many more secrets about Devil Sea, South Pole and North Pole, where many incidents of missing reports were discovered. So if you watched till now, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. And at last, thank you for watching.